Hey Henna Guys Fam, today we're going to tell you about our Amla Powder Hair Mask. Amla powder contains just one ingredient, amla, Umbilica officinalis geratin. You can use amla powder on its own or in the henna mixture. Today we'll be showing you how to use the mask on its own. You will need to measure out the desired amount into the bowl. Full measurements will be provided in the description box. For this video, we are using the entire packet. After the powder has been added, you will need to add in your liquid. We've used distilled water. Once you begin to add in your liquid, you will need to stir the mixture. The Amla Powder Hair Mask will need to be as smooth as possible. So only add in a little bit of liquid at a time and then stir generously. We're looking for a cake batter consistency. While we're stirring, let's talk about how your hair can benefit from using Amla powder. Amla can help to strengthen the roots and scalp. It can help to boost volume and encourage growth. It can help to reduce premature pigment loss or going gray too early. And it can help to condition your scalp and can help improve hair color tones. Amla Powder Hair Mask is also great for those who have curly hair. It helps keep the hair moisturized and conditioned. Now, it does need to be said that the only way that this is possible is with regular use of the Amla Powder Hair Mask. Now that it has been several minutes, your Amla Powder Hair Mask should look something like this. You will need to let the Amla Hair Mask rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before applying. If the mixture has hardened during that time, it is okay to add a small amount of water to re-moisturize the mask. After that duration of time has passed, it is ready to be applied to your hair. Separate your hair into sections. You will want to apply the Amla Hair Mask, starting from the roots of your hair, working your way down to the ends. Ensure that each strand is covered with the hair mask and leave on for 30 to 45 minutes. After that time, rinse with warm water and a mild shampoo. Start from the ends, working up to the roots. Repeat weekly for best results. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.